Hello everybody, thank you so much for pressing play on my video today. My name is Sharleen from stampwithshar.com and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the US. My December paper pumpkin came in the mail. Now before I open it up and show you what's inside, I wanted to talk a little bit about our spring summer catalog. This goes live in January on the 3rd. Now, if you do not have a demonstrator that you currently order from and you are looking for a catalog, I'd love to send you one. Send me an email with your name and your mailing address and I'll be more than happy to send you one. For those of you that are my customers already, yours are already mailed out to you, you should already have them. But if you aren't a customer of mine and you would like a catalog, send me an email and I'll get that to you in the mail ASAP. Oh my goodness, there's so many beautiful things in there, you guys. It's amazing. So I have not even yet opened this yet. Terracotta tile is our ink spot. Oh wow, this one's got a lot of sayings. Love you lots. Thank you. Good luck, Mr. and Mrs. Nice like sentiments in here. Hey friend, it's your day just because. So very sorry. Feel better soon. We always need that feel better soon. So quite a cute little, got a lot of different sayings in there. What I like about Paper Pumpkin is that it always comes so pretty, like packaged, and it's like getting a present in the mail every month. I love it so much. So these are our projects for December. So pretty. Love it. What I love about Paper Pumpkin is that everything you need to create the project comes in your kit. Now, if you sign up for Paper Pumpkin under me, I do send you 3 alternative projects that you can create using this specific kit. So it looks like we have some champagne rhinestones. So nice. I love those. And these have adhesive backs as well, so you don't even have to worry about glue. There's glue on it already. Great. We love that. Dimensionals. We always love to pop our stuff up with some dimensionals, so these are always nice to have. These are our envelopes. Let's see how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we can make, I'm assuming, 12 cards because there's 12 envelopes, okay? And what I love is that they're always so pretty. Like they're never like dull, I guess is what I mean, I don't think dull would be the right word. But then we got also some foil adhesive. This is like adhesive sheets, and oh my goodness, how pretty on a card, you guys. And again, you don't have to worry about glue, so that's great. So you get a couple of these, you get 4 of them. And you guys, this back pieces here, I don't throw that away. I'm super frugal. I will then use punches and punch out little things. So I try and use up every little inch of paper that I can. So these are our card bases. So you get 4 of those, 4 of the greens. We get 4 of those pretty ones. I love this. Look at this, you guys. It's so nice and such good quality too. Like I cannot express how well and like what good quality this is. And then of course you got 4 of those. We have 4 of these. Now these are not adhesive back. Actually, they are. I lied. These are stickers. Yeah, they're sticky on the back. So these are stickers that you add to your card. We have a bunch of different little banners and tags, and I love that it all has the gold in it. It's so nice. And then of course, every Paper Pumpkin kit comes with details on what you get in your kit, what to expect. They also have a website that you can go on where they show you exactly how to make this kit. And yeah, it comes with instructions step by step, which is nice. Now, if you're not a person who likes to look at instructions like this and read instructions, like I say, if you go to paperpumpkin.com, or if you go to YouTube actually and subscribe to the Paper Pumpkin channel, every month when their new kit comes out, they show you how to create the projects, which is really, really cool. Thank you so much for stopping by today. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Please join me back here tomorrow. I hope to see you all then. Take care.